Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to revert back to your default icons on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's begin. As you can see, currently we do have these weird black icons. They might look cool or they might had look cool, but I am now way over them and want to remove them completely. In order to revert to my default icons, I have to go to the settings. In the settings, I want to scroll down a little and go to the themes. In the Galaxy themes, we want to switch from themes to menu. In here, we can go to my stuff. And currently we do have a theme. We could revert a whole theme back, though it will also remove our beautiful wallpaper here. Isn't it great? I don't want to lose it. So instead we can go to the icons and we can go back manually to only icons. Let's hit apply. And in a moment it should be back. And our icons are now back. And all of them are now normal. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.